Good morning, traders. This is Christopher from forexstocks.com. Just to recap on yesterday's trade on the pound dollar and the euro dollar. Took the pound dollar yesterday short around this level here after we saw this bullish candle here. One of our members, he was long here, and I did advise him. I said not to go along here, this is a trap. And I think it was Peter who tried to take long here. Yes, the market, he got stopped out at break even, but this is what the market makers do. They show you momentum to one direction, and this is what we say a trap move. Now let's have a look at the hourly chart. The hourly chart this is the 15-minute. That's the hourly chart. Hourly chart is looking very bearish. I want to see, this is kind of forming head and shoulder here, inverted head and shoulder, so we're looking around those levels here to short, which is about here, but now it's too early to short still. If normally the pound dollar is one of those pairs that people, the market makers, normally trap. They go up, go down again here, break this level here, and then show traders that is going down, and then they spike it up, stop them, and they'll go down to we said the 600 level here, and then could see a reset around this 2.5 days threshold level. So I'm looking to see if we miss the short. If we miss the short here today on it. Don't forget, today is the Bank of England rate and the MPC interest rate too, so that's 2 big days for us today. So I'm not intended to trade today until they release, because I'm expecting just what to see here, just to chop around here, this level, in this channel here, in this accumulation channel. Let's see what happens today, but most probably what I would like to see is one push, second push, and third push, double bottom formation around this level here, and buy it all the way up to the 20 days threshold level and the 10 days. We've got two strong levels here to work with, or we might see another second scenario in this. What we can see is the market pushing up to this level here, trap more buyers into the market, and then double top here. What I would like to see also is, I have one push, I have second push, I have third push here, so I would like to see the market spike to this level. We have the 3 pushes confirmed, 3 levels confirmed towards the level here, the zone. So what I would like to see, this level at least spiked, one spike. It could happen within the news, just one spike like this, and then start to short it. Hopefully they will give us a chance to go up again, or a lower high here, and then we'll short it all the way to the 1600 level again. So there is potential on both sides today, but we have to be a little bit patient today, guys, because if you want to enter the market here, your stop is going to be here, which is a big stop for me. And then also, if you enter the market long, the stop is going to be here, around below this here. So that is another big stop loss. I don't want to be in a position where I'm panicking. I don't want to panic here. I want to get the best entries and the best prices. So if none of those happens, guys, don't worry. There is a lot of other pairs to trade, and don't chase trade. So this is the pound dollar. Let's have a look at the euro dollar. Our favorite pairs, the pound dollar and the euro dollar. These are my favorites. So the euro dollar here is still looking very bullish to me. I'm more to the upside today on this. Again, yes, today we have the MPC meetings around 12 o'clock midday London time. So what we're looking at here, it depends on the news today, but I'm expecting the market to pull up again to these levels here, we've got the 5-day threshold. We've only got one push, and we have second push, and I'm expecting a third push toward this zone here. This is a good zone for us to start selling to make a few pips here. So I'm more, like I said today on this pairs, I'm more just waiting for the news to come out. And there is, let's just check the news. No, wrong site. Check the news. This is the news today. This is about, actually, guys, free service, FX News Alert. You can download it and set it up to whatever you want. So today we have the auctions. That's a strong auction here, and the French bond auction. Both are strong auctions. They move the market about 20-30 pips. So if you are in the market, you could be panicking around 10 o'clock. Wait for the auction results. And then we've got the facilities here, asset purchase for the UK, and then we have the official bank rate, and then the straight after the MPC rate statements. So we will have a look at those later on to see what happens. So today is full of news. I'm expecting, look again, minimum bid rate for the euro as well. So if they changed last time, they've changed that from 1 to half. The market dropped at 300 pips in one day. So if they change it, this one today, they're not expecting to change it yet. And also we've got ECB press conference. This is what we've been waiting for, and we've got tons of news. So, and then GDP for the US, and it's just full of news today. It's not even worth touching the market. If you want to trade today, just in and out, just a few scalping here and there. I'm assuming the market will move. They'll move the crosses today. So if we look at the Aussie, have a look at the Aussie dollar now. It's a nice big drop in the Aussie. So again, guys, this is the levels we are looking at here to buy. 15-minute chart Aussie, but I'm more tempted for it to go down to this level here to start buying. It's still not clear. In the hourly chart, there have been consolidations, no real trend here. If you look at the market from that perspective, look at this from this day to this day to this day to this day to this day. Nothing really. It's just consolidation all the way, accumulation of orders. Nothing's happening, but I'm still biased to the upside, to this level here, to the 20-day threshold. And then this is a 20-day 50%, and this is 10-day threshold, and then the 20-day threshold here. So this is a strong zone here for us to sell, guys. But like I said, I'm still biased from this to the upside to reset the market and take it from there. Let's have a look at the dollar CAD. Dollar CAD is looking very bearish today. So what I would like to see, at least a push up here, a stop hunt move to the upside, at least around here, whether we see an information here, double top information here, or we can see it retesting the levels of this. We've got this level here. Let me just make it okay. So we're looking at the 1 hour chart. Yeah, it's looking very bearish, the dollar CAD. So we are looking at anywhere to go short this after this consolidation. Now there is a setup that specific pattern that I look for. I will do that for you guys on the weekly webinars. So we have consolidation channel here. I like this dollar CAD today. It's very good to trade. This is one of my favorites today because it's no news against it till 1:30. So we're looking at spike and double top formation on this 800 EMA, or in between those two EMAs here, at least to test the 200, which is the white one, and double top, and then short it all the way down. So this is very nice bearish. I'll be watching this pair today to trade. So we have we've done the pullbacks toward the 2.5 days threshold, and we've got the 10 days 50% here, and we done the 10 days threshold as well. So you see it was a nice zone here to short. You see we've done, always I say towards these levels we'll get one push, second push, and third push. Easy trade, nice job, you know. So yesterday we had a fantastic day, nice trades, and I'm looking today, like I said, to continue shorting this pair. My favorite setups, these are when I see 1, 2 and 3 pushes. I like the 3 pushes, it comes in threes all the time, and then you can trade this either way. Look at these here, they're just showing, showing the bullish engulfings, and then next minute they drop, and they're crafty, they give more bullish engulfings here. A lot of people, they give double bottom, but we know because of this level here, we know the market was going to drop, so we're not going to be buyers. So you can take this trade traditionally to break this channel here and then retest here and go short, and you can trade it from here with a small stop loss above the high here and start taking the rights. Okay, now let's have a look at another pair. We're looking at the dollar yen. Dollar yen is still choppy to me. I'm not going to touch that. The New Zealand dollar is nice. It's looking like it's have been topped up. Let's have a look at the hourly chart. Yes, it has. So we're looking again, guys, look at these patterns that they come every day. We have one push, second push, and then third push. Now it's formed inverted head and shoulder, and there is the move. So today I'm looking for this to go to the downside, at least to go down to retest this zone here. All these zones are good zones, guys. So we've got a good potential trade here. So let's have a look at the 15-minute chart, see if we can grab an entry on this. That's 15-minute chart. I use the hourly and 15-minute for my buyers. Let's have a look. So if I make this chart a little bit bigger, just wait for the London Open, guys, and then we can see if we can trade this pair. This is always look where is the accumulation channel during Asia. This is the accumulation channel, and we've got one push outside it, so expect this. If this happens, then we're going to take it to the short, to the downside here. We've got the 20 days 50% here, and I want to see the threshold. There it is, the 20 days threshold. So they might, on this pair today, what they might do, just be careful, guys. They will do during London. We said this is accumulation. So we have one push, second push, and then third push towards this 20 days threshold, and then double top, and then boom to the downside. So they might just trap buyers here during London, break it here. All the breakout traders will have orders here to go long, because they will think, oh, this is a continuation of a trend, and then they will trap some buyers here and they stop them all out and take their profit. Okay, guys, this is it for today. Let's call it a day today, and I will have a look. I'll be in the Skype later on about 10:30 today, just waiting for the news to come out. And good luck today for your trading, guys. And like I said, we need to arrange a day to do the webinars. I will speak to you shortly, and have fun.